How to add product filtering in Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add product filtering to Shopify. So first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard here. Then you can tap onto online store. Then after clicking on online store, we are going to go into our theme library, scroll down and search for the theme library here. Here you can see the theme library. You can just tap on to customize, but before that, here you can see the settings option. Go there, go to apps and sales channel, then tap on to Shopify store and then search up for a app called Shopify search and discovery. So let me search for Shopify search and discovery, this app. Just search up for it and then you have to open it up and install it up. As you can see, I have already installed it on my store. So let me show you here. Here you can see the search and discovery, and from here you can tap onto filters, and after clicking onto filters you can add filters right from here. You can add filter label, you can select source from here, and you can just sort it automatically or manually. Then you have to edit them according to your need. You can check out view definitions from here, your goal name, etc. So you can just add product filtering from here. You can do it automatically or differently. For example, you can say, I can say that I want to change the vendor color or filter it. Also you can let's say I want to change color, for example this one. You have to choose it up, then you can just color your filters from here. Just choose the one, then here you can see this pen icon, you can change the color and etc. Then you have to tap done, and after saving it up you can just save it up right from here. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is how you can add product filtering to your Shopify store by installing this app. As you can see, I already have used my product filtering, color filtering on it. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section and like the video.